Every year in the United States, over 350 lives are lost due to electrical hazards in the workplace. And thousands more suffer serious injuries, many of which could have been prevented. Electrical accidents don't just happen in high-voltage industries. They occur in manufacturing plants, warehouses, construction sites, and even office buildings. That's why electrical safety and lockout, tagout procedures aren't optional, they're critical. Welcome to OSHA Education School's Electrical Safety and Lockout Tagout training course. This course is your key to building a safe, compliant, and prepared workplace. Whether you're an experienced electrician, a maintenance technician, or a safety officer, understanding and applying these practices can mean the difference between life and death. In this training, you'll discover how to recognize and assess electrical hazards before they lead to injury, why electricity is silent but deadly, and how voltage and amperage behave under different conditions. What to do when equipment needs to be repaired or serviced, and how LOTO protects you and your team from unexpected energization. We dive deep into the real-world application of safety protocols. You'll learn how to properly de-energize equipment, isolate energy sources, and apply lockout devices that keep machinery from accidentally powering up. Alright folks, let's break down tagout procedures. This is crucial for ensuring clear communication with your coworkers. It's all about knowing who's working on what, and understanding when it's safe to re-engage equipment. Now let's dive into identifying those common risks. The training will guide you to spot things like damaged cords, overloaded circuits, exposed conductors, and more. It's all about keeping an eye out for these hazards. By the end of this, you'll walk away with some clear knowledge. You'll understand the hierarchy of controls in electrical safety, and how to respond to electrical incidents or near misses. Learn how to craft a robust energy control program tailored specifically to your workplace. Every energized wire is a potential hazard. Every shortcut around lockout, tagout is a risk you can't afford. Ready to take the first step? Enroll today in the Electrical Safety and Lockout Tagout course by OSHA Education School.